ChatGPT just released Agent Mode, and here's how this could change the way we work for good. The ChatGPT Agent brings together capabilities like reasoning, browsing, and code execution all into a unified system. Earlier this year, OpenAI launched Deep Research and Operator Framework, each powerful in its own right, but users wanted a unified agent that could think, act, browse, code, and create all in one place. That's exactly what ChatGPT Agent offers. From ChatGPT, select Agent Mode under Tools, or just type Agent to switch modes. If you can't see it yet, hold on for a second and I'll share the availability details towards the end of this video. On submitting the instructions, the agent spins up its own virtual computer, yes, an actual computer, and gets to work. Under the hood, ChatGPT Agent chooses from a powerful set of tools. It reads websites fast with a text browser, interacts visually with buttons and forms, and runs code in a terminal, and even generates images for slideshows. And it's not a black box. You can interrupt the agent, clarify your needs, or change the task entirely. It remembers what it's doing and adapts instantly. ChatGPT Agent connects to your real-world data through APIs to help you summarize your inbox, check your schedule, or analyze your Google Sheets. And with secure login takeover, it can go deep where needed. On benchmarks, ChatGPT Agent is crushing it. On DS Bench, it beats humans and the O3 model at data analysis and data modeling. On Humanity's Last Exam, which is a benchmark for expert-level questions across subjects, the ChatGPT Agent set a new state-of-the-art score with 41.6% accuracy. With great power comes great responsibility. ChatGPT Agent includes safeguards like confirmation prompts, input privacy, and prompt injection protection, keeping you in control. If you cannot access it yet, don't worry. ChatGPT Agent is rolling out now for Pro, Plus, and Team users, so just enable Agent Mode and start asking it to do real work. Now, if you haven't watched our MCP introduction video already, do check it out. Next week, we'll have a video on building your own MCP server and AI agents, so do subscribe to be notified when these videos are out.